Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, if I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today I'm going to give you an update on what actually happened on CPI. Understand, as much as I actually analyzed by my data and I actually got a sell direction, understand. So I just want to show you what actually happened. It was a crazy movement, up and downs, but at the end of the day, let's not give you guys the full information now, guys. Remember, guys, when I trade, guys, I use Space Markets, one of the greatest broker at the moment. Let's go, let's see what we have today. So yeah, guys, yesterday we were trading CPI and it was one of the greatest day. I can never lie, say it is one of the best day. Understand me? I like learning than making money. Understand? Making money, guys, without knowledge is something, because tomorrow you'll never replicate what you did yesterday. Understand? So at the end of the day, yesterday I had to learn some few things. Understand? Sometimes most of us, we want to enter because of time. Understand? It's a matter of fundamentals coming out at 14:30, and you want to enter 29, 28, backwards. But at the end of the day, I had an area, understand, of selling, saying, okay, if the market reaches at this area, I'm going to sell. If I were to wait for that area, I could have had a one nice entry and I could have made a lot of cash. Understand? I don't know why this video is playing now, because I don't want it to play now. And I said I could have had one of the best returns, understand. But at the end of the day, I entered because of time. And what eventually that I saw a profit of 14k and the market reversed. The market closed some of the positions, and then when it came back, showed me 6,000, and I was like, no, wait, this is my cash, this is what I have found. I found that, let me just close and then I'll come back today. It's actually jobless claims, understand, and core retail sales. Oh, today we're gonna see a big movement as well. I know, and I'm pretty sure about it, understand. So let me just play this video while recording it, without wasting no time. Let me just play. It's a video it happened yesterday, so I want to record it just to explain everything that was happening. So the video is like 4 minutes, you understand? It's like 4 minutes, and without no lies, bro, like I started entering at 14:27. Like I said, it was based on time, and I felt like the market is going to drop. As I uploaded an even on YouTube video, I said the market is a sell. I saw the market dropping, it dropped, it went immediately to the downside. US30, you're gonna see on the video, it went to the downside, and to me, that was the direction that I saw. Understand? And if someone says, oh, you can't trade, then who can trade yesterday? Who can trade? So hence I written a message. I said, if you want to quit, you can quit. You understand? But if you want to continue, we are with you, you warrior. We have nobody to blame. We can never blame the brokers. We can never blame the mentors. Yesterday movement was nobody's to blame. Even yourself, you can't blame yourself. You just have to learn some few things. You understand? So at the end of the day, man, we have to trade the setup, not the market. We always focusing on what is CPI. Everybody trades on CPI. People that don't trade on CPI, I've been seeing them trading. Understand? I've been seeing them trading on CPI. I'm like, why you always want to trade only on CPIs? Understand? Only on CPIs. That is what most of the people do. But as you can see, guys, I entered one trade and I just look at the market, what it's doing. You understand? And I'm like, oh, okay, no, I just entered. Let me see how much can I make from this. Understand? It was one of the most important thing. And I just look at the chart, like this was like easy. It was like an easy trade. But at the end of the day, man, it became one of the difficult trade. I can't lie. I can't lie to you guys, And I just look at the market and see what is actually happening. Entered another trade. It's 29 now. It's time for me to enter. And I just started entering because I wanted to enter gold as well. Understand? I started entering. Okay, obviously the market will move as it moves, and I'm on profit. And I was like, oh no, this is dope, because I'm on profit before the news release, and it's eventually giving me that potential of I'm gonna see the news. Some of the people can blow before the news. Understand? So I was going to add on gold. When I add on gold, it spiked down, went up. Hey, when I went the other side, I'm on 14k immediately. You understand? You see, the moment I could do those things, that's the moment I could have closed in my trades. It's crazy, because we always fight for screenshots, but we never fight for the bulk operation, because you're on a video, man. Forget about screenshots. Understand? So it went to 14k losses. As you can see, guys, 12. You understand? And then when it saw that it's reversing, it started to close trade, because my margin level was never negative. You see, it started being negative when they started closing the trade and taking the bonus. You understand? But it's part of the game. Like I said, it's nobody's blame. The market just took the wrong direction, and then it kept on going up and down, going up and down. And if you can see, I'm on a a loss of 3,000. Obviously, now I'm on the chart. I can't see the losses, but it's like 3,000, and then it kept on going up and down, up and down, up and down. But I was so patient enough to wait for it to come back and give me the profit. I had no choice but to wait. Most of the time, people they don't like waiting. And for me, I think waiting is one of the greatest thing. Understand? As much as I saw yesterday, it went to a level that we actually analyzed, and then we saw the market dropping. You understand? You see, now it's starting to sell. It's starting to sell. You see, like it's starting to sell, dropping. It's dropping. So it's actually 5.6. It means it closed 4.6 loss when it was going up, and which is a bad thing, man. Now you have to recover and make profit at the same time. And truly speaking, I couldn't make a profit because when I closed, I think I closed too late, and I actually like closed the cash that I came with. Understand? I made like 400 profit for petrol. I don't know for which car because my car they need like 1,000, bro. Like 400, it won't even last 2 days. So, but at the end of the day, it's whatever it is. Understand? So you see there, I'm about to hit like bulk operation, and you're gonna see sooner or later I bulked. You understand? You see, it's 5.6. I was like, oh no, man, what if it goes to 10K and I make like few bars, like 6,000, 6.6? You understand? Then I decided to bulk operate. You see, so this is what actually happened about yesterday. This is what actually happened about yesterday. And I can never lie to you guys and say something happened. You understand? This is what actually happened.
So guys, without wasting no time, guys, I think it's a matter of us continuing and seeing what actually gonna happen today. It's very important for us to check those kind of things, But the whole destination that I understand, it's actually us coming there, and this is actually gonna be our area of buying as it was supposed to be area of sellers. If you can check, the market went to here, it didn't actually go to the bottom, but it broke the highest point. So which is we are looking forward for buying opportunities. I think let me check something real quick. Even where it is, it can give us buying opportunities. But today, I need us to use more of time than most of the things. If you can check even here, this area, we said it's gonna sell, and it actually sell, come here, retested, and kept on buying, understand? But this will remain the area of buying opportunities, no matter what, but depending on time. But me today, guys, I'm going to take buying opportunities, understand? Let's check gold. You see gold actually is taking that direction we actually like eventually predicted, and we had the area of sellers and it did respect it. If you can check now, it acting like a bullish trade, but at the end of the day, if you can create a trend line like this, it breaks this trend line, you're going to enter your selling opportunities very well. But here, guys, for me, gold itself, you understand? But let me analyze the market and see which direction we're going to take. Obviously, when I analyze, guys, I start from the weekly time frame. It's one of the most important thing in my life. It's not a strategy, it's a concept. It's something that I have to follow whether I like it or not. Understand? So now I'm going to create my current high, and then I'm going to create my current low. So I don't want to create, you saw yesterday we created a lot of things, understand? Even the trend line like this, we had it. So I'm going to create this one just to guide you where we actually going. I just don't need a lot of things in my chart today. Just need few of the things just to make me understand. So we're actually aiming for double top here. Some could be aiming for this as they are high, but I'm aiming for this point as being my double top, understand? And then we have a resistance that is currently going on here. So being respected, I'm not sure, but at the end of the day, it can be broken. Like I said, I'm not a seller, guys. Anything to do with sell, something that I don't actually trust the most. Yesterday it was a perfect one, but it wouldn't sell because it's a sell. Sell comes out when it wants. I don't vibe with that. Understand? So if you can check here, this is just the points where when the market touches the market reverse. Once the market breaks this here, we understand that bullish momentum is still great. No, the market is doing great, guys. It's something that we gotta understand that the market is doing great. So here we have a proper resistance. This is a proper one, and if you can check, the market have broken above it, and this was supposed to be our neckline. And I said it will actually reverse where people are putting stop loss at. But at the end of the day, I don't want to invest most on it. I don't want to invest most on it because it's a pattern. It's a pattern, and it has eventually done the job because it's a double top. It went to the end. For me, I feel like it have done the job. For us, it's just to focus most on looking for the direction than the most thing. And if we can check here, this was just our rising wedge here. This was a perfectly rising wedge. Beautiful, understand? This was just a beautiful rising wedge. and it was supposed to be broken in order for it to create the biggest movement. But I feel like the market has to have no choice than reaching there. But I don't think new highs will be reached anytime soon. We just have to look at the chart and see what it has for us. This is the most confusing part of the market, but we have no choice, man. We have no choice than push every day, never quit. I come in the market. One thing that I will brag about is coming to the market where I took the biggest loss and still managed to analyze and learn the market. That is what I can brag about. But if you're going to brag about quitting, then that's you there. We are not the same. And obviously we will never be the same. As people, we are different. There are people that like cloud, talking and thinking we're gonna respond because they are them. Let's grow up, guys. Some people are old. They don't wanna grow. Right. Like me, one thing about me when I was like 16, 17, I wanted to be an older person. I can't be now 23 and feel like I'm 16. Yeah, so you can't be 30 feel like you are 16. You have to grow. And in life, you gotta grow, man. Some things need you, like they need you to grow in order for you to understand some particular things. People don't want to grow. I don't know why. You can never be young forever. It's time for you to man up, make sure that the people you compete with are at your age. You can't be 36 competing with a young kid. I haven't reached 36, but you want to compete with me. No way. So yeah, guys, like I said, this area will still remain as our buying opportunity area. You understand? It will remain as our buying opportunity area because we were looking forward to see selling opportunities on that area. So I want actually like draw the area very well. Yes, this is the area here. It actually here, you understand? This area will be our buying opportunity area. The market is buying, man. We can never sell the market while the market is buying. Me, I'm that person whereby if the market is doing a certain movement, man, I don't mind to be on that market following it. It's a matter of what the market does that I have to follow, bro. Like now I have to make the market reverse like I'm Jesus. I'm not Jesus. I have to let it go as it goes, you understand? So for me, guys, see buying opportunities. Let's push furthermore to the downside. Still, guys, buying opportunities, man. You see the market is still wanna like push to the top, man, and we might be late on our time, but at the end of the day, man, we don't have to waste no time. It's a buy. Buying opportunities, guys, buy. So our buys eventually they were supposed to, but I see the market opening came here. So we're no longer gonna go there. Now we gotta push our span, we buy there, we push, man. You take profit, you'll just pick which one you want, but make sure it's the one that you're gonna get the bag. You understand? It's all about the bag here. So we have to break this high. Then once we break this high, we know we're pushing to the top. Let's go. Now we're gonna push to Nasdaq and see what does Nasdaq have for us. Nasdaq is one of the simplest. I like analyzing. And if you can see, guys, first, second, third, fourth. This one was the fourth. Go check Xauusd's video. You'll see, man, it's a buy. We don't have to waste no time on it. This one, it's easy buy. So eventually what we have to look for is where are you going to enter your entry point? There's M30. If you can see, this is just like a breakout. So it's very important for me to pull back a little bit and look for a proper entry point. Because I thought that one could be my entry point, but it's not. My entry point could be here. This could be my entry point. Understand? And then take profit. But obviously we're waiting for the news, man. I always tell people that during fundamentals, wait for the news to give you the data of the market. Then now you'll know what you have to do. Understand? So yeah. But the market is actually rebounding very well. It's coming back. And I know very well that the market will push to the top side. Oh, this one, guys, this one, it's a sell. Understand? It's a proper sell. Here, I'm just going to create my proper trend line here. I understand that the market, if it's coming here, it will reverse at the certain point. Understand? But we have like a zone here, which can be respected. And then we check where are we going. Eventually, we are going to the bottom side. Put our stop loss there. And then, we're still going to push here. Here, we're still going to push. And for God's sake, if I create a proper trend line here, it has to create a 90% rule. It has to create a 90% rule. So my 90% rule is actually here. Understand? So that's where gold is actually going. Understand? Depending on which trade you're gonna take, where entry point, but for me, gold is selling opportunity. It's at the top side. it's at the top side. And if you can check, it's been creating trend lines at the top side. So we're gonna push to this point, guys. I hope and believe I'll see you guys at the sellers, because here I need you all to milk the market. Yeah, okay. So your first take profit, you can put it here. We use proper risk management. Another one here. There's not the last one. The last one will be here. So once it passes here, you know you're still gonna continue, because we might be heading to the downside trend. You see, we haven't yet uploaded the video, so it's still buying, and which is the good thing, because now we understand that where could be our entry point. We said it's here, right? Let's go and put it somewhere here. If it reaches here, now we know our entry point is there. So at the end of the day, if it breaks this trend line, our entry point is going to be, this will be area of our entry point. So make sure that once you see this video, you're going to understand where's our entry point. It haven't yet closed outside, so it's one of the most important things we gotta check. And if it has to close inside, then we know our entry point is there. So at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video on gold. I'm gonna be looking for selling opportunities around 9. So I'll see you guys on the in the other side, understanding the profit side of the market. But there's initial job claims, and I see a buy on gold and US30, and which is obviously it's going to take the same direction. Maybe for the moment in the morning you can sell, then later on buy to sell. That's what I expect now. So at the end of the day, that's how the market is. So let's go, guys. Let's see what we have in the market. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, guys. It means a lot.